When recycling content, think from the ground up, like the growth of a tree. Every healthy tree has three things: roots, a trunk, and a crown made up of multiple branches, as shown in figure 7.5. Now think of your roots as a series of short-form content, like blog posts, social messages, or even videos. The purpose of a tree's roots is to form connections and bond with other roots to form into a tree, which produces a trunk. Think of that trunk as a long-form content offer, like a guide or even an ebook. And what grows from that trunk? Branches. Think of each branch as an extension of your content offer into a new format, like a webinar or an infographic. Your content marketing plan should be filled with a forest of trees that have strong roots and branches. But how do you do it? With a copy of this book, Inbound Content, a step-by-step guide to doing content marketing the inbound way. And it's available everywhere. You can get it at Barnes & Noble or Amazon Prime.